we are going to attempt to conquer the quick weave. Actually, I don't even know if this is considered a quick weave because I'm using clip-ins. I will link these down below, but these are the original ones I got. So I have 10 that I'm going to be using that were left over from my other pack. I don't know where the other ones disappeared to. So I did go in and order one more pack. The key is to kind of get like yaki. Usually just means it's a thicker consistency and it's gonna match your hair better. Even if you have a straightener and you straighten your hair, it's still a different straight. My straight is not gonna match up to like a really silky smooth straight. They're not super bulky, so I feel like if I position them just right and braid down small, tight to my head, I should be able to get the same type of look that a sew-in would give. I'm gonna go ahead and focus on my hair. I blow dried it yesterday and I slept in it, so it's slightly poofy again. I'm just gonna do my part and then braid up the rest of my hair. Okay. I made part just a little bit less, but I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the braiding, and then I did my baby hair, so I'm gonna check back in when I've made more progress. Okay, future editing Maddie here. So this part is pretty self-explanatory. You see a clip-in, you see a blank space, you fill it in. But I did want to say that when it comes to the clip-ins, I was sent different sizes. So if you've ever gotten clip-ins before, some are longer wefts and some are really short, kind of meant to go where your sideburns are or at the side of your head. I didn't really worry too much about placement and which ones were going where, just because I do plan to cut this hair. That's how I style my clip-ins, is I'll just put them in and then I cut and shape them and layer them. So it really doesn't matter to me like which ones I put where, but I did make sure to put the longer ones in the back and then the shorter ones on top, and then I just went from there. Obviously, I'm gonna cut and shape and press it, but I think I did a good job of laying the actual clip-ins flat. We'll see how this all pans out, but I'm gonna go ahead. First step is I'm gonna blow dry this. We're gonna get this hair together and then work on my leave out last. I was stressing out because I was like, did I do too little? What's done is done though. It's braided and the clip-ins are in, so we gonna rock with whatever we do. It actually blended pretty well. I mean, I'm gonna definitely cut it and all, but the length is like 18" down here, and then up here I cut it severely, but I'm pretty sure I bought this as like 16". I've cut it so many times just to suit my different styles. So I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry, and I'm gonna put a little bit of this silk infusion, and then we're gonna go through and blow dry. See, look at what a good job that blow dryer did. Obviously, I keep saying this, but I'm going to add some layers. We're gonna cut it. I'm not gonna cut it crazy. I still wanted it longer, but probably the ends. This is how far it reaches.
Seem to take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? burning grass now. Got me bummed out. You so, baby, baby, baby. Driving on my empty mindset. I should've kept from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, yeah, baby, you don't care. Sometimes I be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Tryna make sense of little change, got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go away, think he was holding me to the right.
I didn't want to get scissor happy, I really didn't, and I hope this shape holds well. But I went by the beauty supply and I got some things. I got a hot comb for my leave out. I feel like that's what's been missing. I've tried this style in the past and it hasn't worked out the way I wanted it to. I feel like I didn't do it the right way. I got rollers, so ideally with my leave out and with the hair in general, I don't want to have to put heat on it every single day. So I got 2 bags of these, and these are the Annie's self-gripping rollers. I'm going to heat up this hot comb and then we're going to tackle my leave out.
Way to dip, way to kill the food. No, you like that shit. Do it, baby, baby. Heavy on my empty mindset. I can't keep from losing the rest of me. Still worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you babe, you don't care. Sometimes I be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Tryna make sense of little change, got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go away, think he was holding me to the right, but it will pick up in front of me. On the world, I wave my arms, feel it is now. Still wanna try, still believe in good days are sunny inside. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months.
So I've probably said this about a million times on this channel, but I never like my hair the first day that I do it. It almost always takes me at least 2 days to actually like the style. I think it's something about the first time I do it. It's more about the installation. And then the second day I can kind of go back and focus on perfecting it, getting the curls just right. But I did go in and cut it a little bit more. I cut this a total of 3 different times just because I could not decide on the length. And then I just went in and put some more defined curls in it, and it just looked so much better. Chef's kiss. We're going for Tracy Ellis Ross. We're going for Kamala Harris. We're going for Michelle Obama. The blowout, sister, silk press. It is silk press season after all.
Shut down my mouth, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel.